Hey, how you doing? So listen, today I'm going to be frying some eggplant. You want to see how I fry eggplant my way? Let's go to the kitchen right now.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again, and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. Remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. This way, you know, next time I come out with a video. Thumbs up always helps. And I appreciate everybody who subscribed, gives a thumbs up, leaves comments. Thank you so much. You're awesome. So what do I got here today? Today I got a couple eggplants I pulled out of my garden. I'm going to show you what I do with them. I got some tomatoes here I pulled out of the garden. I'm not going to do nothing with them. I just wanted to show you I pulled some tomatoes out of my garden. All right. So they're just going to stay there for now. All right. So what I'm going to do with this eggplant here, got a couple small ones, got this one here. I'm going to slice it up. I'm going to fry it. All right. Now in the frying pan, I got a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to slice up the eggplant. I'm going to fry it about 1 minute or so on each side. When I flip it over the first time, I'm going to throw some mozzarella cheese on there. Let the mozzarella cheese kind of melt a little bit, take it out. We're going to throw a little Parmesan cheese on there, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and we're going to eat it. It's a quick and simple, easy meal. You can buy the eggplant in the store if you want. If you got a garden and you got eggplant, there's something you can do with it. That's what I like to do, kind of like a snack thing. But anyway, so I'm going to cut up this eggplant here a little bit. Make some slices. You can make them as thick as you want, as thin as you want. I cut them about like that, you know, not too bad. Remember, when you're in the kitchen, you're a boss. Do what you want to do. Slice it like that. I'll slice a few of them up. Slice them a little thicker if you want. Make this one a little thicker. And just slice them up, any size you want. A little thick is nicer. Sometimes then they burn a little faster. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to heat up the oil a little bit while I'm cutting up the mozzarella cheese. All right, so like I say, I just coated the bottom of the pan a little bit. Nothing crazy. Just coated the bottom of the pan, a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to sit them in there and just let them cook a little bit. Let me cut up the mozzarella. Put some nice slices on the top of that to melt. And again, the mozzarella you cut how you want. I cut a little thick. That's the way I like it. I like the mozzarella on there. Slice it up. If you don't want to use cheese, you don't like cheese, you don't use cheese. Just fry it up. If you want to use a different kind of cheese, use a different kind of cheese. It's up to you, whatever you want to do, you know? You want to make thick slices, you make thick slices. You want to make thin slices, you make thin slices. This one came a little bit funky. You know what we do with that when it comes out a little weird? We take it, we try it. It's good. Very good. All right. Wash a little bit here. All right. So we got our eggplant cut up. We got a mozzarella cut up. We got the oil heating in the pan right there. We're going to take the eggplant. We're going to set it in the pan. We'll let it cook a little bit. Flip it over. Throw the mozzarella cheese on there. Wait till it melts a little bit. Take it out. Put it on the dish. All right. Let me take a couple of these. Put it in the pan right now. Get them start cooking. A little small one. All right, those are in there. I'll bring you a little closer so you can check it out. All right, so as you see, I got them in there in the oil. Like I said, I just coated the bottom just a little bit, nothing crazy. If you want, what I'll do, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I like a little bit of salt on there. Just a little bit of salt, nothing crazy. A little bit of salt and pepper never hurts nobody, right? A little bit of pepper. All right, so we got the eggplant in there. They're frying up on this side, like I say, about a minute or two. I'm gonna flip them over. I'm gonna throw the mozzarella cheese on there and let it melt. All right, so what I did was they were on this side for about a little over 2 minutes or so, 2 minutes. You can do whatever you want. See, they started browning. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm taking the mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna lay it on top. Right, nice on top there. Small for this guy. And there you have the mozzarella cheese on there. Let me try a little bit. Now what I'll do, I just let it cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. Mozzarella cheese get a little soft. We'll take it out and plate it. All right, so the mozzarella started to melt. Take a look at that. So I took it out. Now what we do, just as it started melting, about another minute or two, it started melting, I took it out. Let's take a little Parmesan cheese, any kind of cheese you want. Evidently, this was a brand new one, it wasn't open yet, which I didn't know. I also have pecorino romano in there, which is my wife's favorite. I don't think she appreciates it. I use it. I mean, I probably could use it, but I figured I'd use this anyway. Yeah, regular Parmesan cheese. Give it a little sprinkle over the top. And then we're going to take our balsamic vinegar, a little shake, and we're going to drizzle over the top. And this is what it looks like. Fried eggplant, mozzarella cheese, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and some balsamic vinegar. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Like I said, use any cheese you want. Use any kind of, you want to use pecorino romano, you want to use Parmesan cheese, you want to use cheddar cheese, you want to use American cheese, whatever you like better. If you don't want to use no cheese, you just want to fry it. That's what you do. Let me get something here to eat it with. Let me give it a taste test. Just to make sure I shut the stove off, and I did. All right. Here we go, guys. Let's give this a taste test. Look at that. Get a little closer there. The cheese on there. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. You like eggplant? You like cheese? Gotta give it a shot. Now, maybe you guys might have done this already. Maybe this isn't the first time you've seen this. Give me a call. Don't give me a call, but leave a message. Leave a comment. Let me know if you've done this before. Let me know if you do something different. I know you can bread these, you can fry them. Bread them, then fry them. Put them in the oven. You can cut them up, put them in a salad. A lot of different things you can do with these eggplant. But I like it when I can walk out the backyard, pick one off the little bush there, whatever, make myself a little something snack. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you stopping by. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you're new here, don't forget the subscribe button, hit that bell icon. And take care of yourselves. You know, times out there are rough. Things are happening. Things are going on. Live every day like it's your last, I guess. Enjoy yourself. Take care of yourselves. Until next time, I'm out of here. So long. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it.